Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we're going to take a look at ticker symbol FNBC. Okay, this was the big winner today. It was up 164%. This was the dead cat bounce play that returned the biggest percentage gains. We had multiple dead cat bounce plays that we were doing as a case study in our chat. We started charting them yesterday, and today we followed through with the charts and did analysis on multiple stocks that had the same pattern, showing that charting dead cat bounce plays can be really easy if you just follow the charts. And so yeah, this is really cool. We did not alert FNBC yesterday, unfortunately, but it did turn out to be a big winner today, and so we were on the action early. If you look here, you will see that what happened was that there was this big gap down open on Monday, and this is the top of the gap, this is the bottom of the gap, and then what happened was these last three the last two candles here on Monday and Tuesday formed below the lower Bollinger Band, so the candles always work back into the bands. And so today's candle, was a white candle with this gap up open, and that was a signal the bounce play was in progress. The candles ran all the way up to the bottom of the gap level and they pulled back. This upper wick on the candle shows profit taking. Okay, so in order to head higher, it's going to need to break the bottom of the gap level. If that happens, the lower Bollinger Band here, currently at 54, will be the next level to break. Many times when you hit that level, that'll be a profit taking zone. If the share price gets past that, it'll be EMA 4 is the next target. Many times for dead cat bounce plays, once they hit EMA 4, the run is done. If there's a gap like this to break, many times they fail to break the bottom of the gap. So fail to break bottom of the gap level tomorrow will be a red flag, signaling downside risk, and you could see a pullback all the way back down to the recent low. If it breaks above that bottom of the gap level, that's going to signal that it's still in play, and then you could possibly see this nice run. Keep in mind these moving averages are moving down fast, the lower Bollinger Band and EMA 4, and so once the candles catch up to it, many times that'll signal the run is done. This is extreme oversold play. Keep in mind this is a delisting play, OTC delisting play, so yeah, extreme caution here. This is the 15-minute chart that we were doing in our chat. We had been doing a case study. Like I said, we had been on several plays the day before, like AMD. We were on AEZS, and yeah, so we were on multiple plays, and VNCE, and those were all dead cat bounce plays, and we did the charts on them, and we were signaling, I was showing what to look for on the setup, and so if you'd like to learn about that, please come into our chat and check that out, and we'll give you more information on what our strategy is. You can get a gist of it here on this chart. There was this completion here after the gap down. The candles have worked their way all the way back up to the bottom of the gap. Many times that is a climax. Notice this jar has filled. Going forward, the middle Bollinger Band currently at 21 is the key level to hold on the 15-minute chart. If that breaks, the 50 simple moving average will be on deck. You notice we were breaking this down during the day on the chat, and I was giving out technical analysis, educational information along the way, trying to teach people in real time. And if you look here at the 15-minute chart, if you closer look, you'll see here that this middle Bollinger Band at 21 is the big level. If that breaks, then that's going to put the 50 simple moving average at 17 on deck. Candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band signal more upside potential. Once it breaks, that is a red flag signaling downside risk. Okay, bearish stocks form candles below the 50 SMA and the middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute chart. So if those break, that'll be a big red flag. If they hold, it'll signal more upside potential. Okay, so you're going to have to break, this 30, the 30 to 35 zone here. 32, just above 32, the high close there at 315 will be the big level to break. All right, if you'd like to learn more about charts and technical analysis, check us out at mychartcoach.com, and you can also watch videos on our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.